Hey, what's going on, team? It's Ricky with Tech Solutions. Here is a super quick stock market update. Wanted to make sure that you guys were aware of the different economic reports that are set to be released this upcoming week prior to Christmas. I hope that you guys are having a good time with your family over the weekend, but just want to make sure that you guys are staying up to date. So one of the first things that I want to cover is Monday on December 19th. There's nothing too significant that is actually going to happen when it comes down to the different economic reports. Tuesday, a little bit different. We have building permits for the month of November, and then we have housing stats. Again, not a very significant date for the overall week. This is where it really begins to get good. On Wednesday, December 21st, we have the Consumer Confidence Report. So if you're part of our LPP team, again, we will be live during when that report comes out, and that's going to be 30 minutes after the market opens, as well as at that same time, it's going to be existing home sales for the month of November. Remember, we want to see existing home sales to actually go down, right? And by we, I don't mean me, right? The Federal Reserve would appreciate for the economy to be slowing down. So therefore, if we want to see the Federal Reserve slow down and completely stop raising interest rates, they need to see that existing home sales are therefore actually slowing down, not increasing month over month, right? So again, I want you guys to understand that. We have the crude oil inventory report that's released every single week, and that is again 1 hour after the market opens. And then one of the other things that we have is the 20-year bond auction, but again, that's going to happen at a later time. On Thursday, again, this one's a pretty stacked day. So we have the GDP report, probably one of the most important reports that is going to be released for this upcoming week. And then we have initial job claims. So for those that are unaware, initial job claims are it's pretty much a report that tracks how many people are filing for unemployment. And again, by we, I don't mean me. I mean the Federal Reserve. Initial job claims, if more people are initially for the first time ever filing for unemployment, that's normally a good thing because the Federal Reserve therefore can support that unemployment is actually going up. And that's what the Federal Reserve wants. It's a weird way of thinking, but remember, they want the economy to feel the pressure. They're trying to slow down the economy. And again, a part of that is for unemployment to go up. They have a goal of around 4.1 to 4.3% unemployment, and we're right around 3.7% so far this year. PCE prices, again, also that's going to be something that's pretty important for this upcoming week. And then on Friday, well, this is when it actually gets reported. So we got durable good orders. That's going to be released 1 hour after the market opens. And then we have core PCE. If you guys watch Jerome Powell in his live stream, when they announced their interest rate hike, you hear him talk a lot about PCE. And again, this is exactly what it is that's being reported. And this is going to be 1 hour after the market opens. Now, going in a little bit deeper, we have personal spending. We want personal spending to actually be going down. And again, by we, I mean the Federal Reserve. Michigan Consumer Sentiment Report, that's going to be 30 minutes after the market opens. We have new home sales. So this is going to be, again, one of the most important reports that's going to be released on Friday. And what we mean by that is by new home sales are how many new properties are actually being sold. You could see that we have an expectation of 595K. Our previous was 632K. So what that means is we are expecting less new homes to be sold. And normally, again, the Federal Reserve would want new home sales to be going down. Therefore, less people are actually motivated, right, or interested in buying a home. Again, the Federal Reserve wants the economy to feel the pressure. It sounds like funny things to kind of prepare for, but again, these reports move markets. So if you're actually someone that's trying to get into investing and or trying to get into trading to have a better understanding of why the market moves the way it does, these are economic reports that are released on a weekly basis. Not all of them, but again, there's a series of economic reports that are released every single week and some on a monthly basis, just like, you know, the CPI data report known as the inflation report. It is your job as a trader or as an investor to hold yourself accountable and stay up to date. So again, there's a lot of different websites. You can literally Google search economic calendar. There's on FinViz, investing.com, and a lot of them are for free. I just want to make sure that, again, the goal is always for you to be self-sufficient. I don't need you to rely on me. I don't want you to rely on anyone else. Take the time
to actually understand what these reports are. Learn about a new report maybe once a week. Look a little bit more into it, what it means, why we want it to go up or why we want it to go down. And again, it's all about progress. You're not going to figure all of this out all in just a very short period of time, but as long as you begin to pick up on what to do and what not to do with these different reports that are being released, then again, you're one step closer to the overall goals. So again, if you guys want to be able to watch me trade live as soon as market opens tomorrow, I only trade live with one group, and it's my Learn Plan Profit group. Stop guessing, start learning. And again, if you're ready to join my team, not only do you get access to our A to Z video lesson library, my daily live trading sessions, private group chat, and access to the TechBuds HQ. It's a one-time payment, lifetime access, and right now we are running a sale, and that is going to be that second link in the description if you want to join and watch me trade live again as soon as tomorrow. Friendly reminder, today is the last day to enter our Christmas giveaway. This is for the micro prize giveaway, so we're giving away a PS5, an iPad, Beats, and a drone. If you want to learn more about this, take 2 minutes, click that fourth link in the description, learn more about it, and if you have any questions, shoot me a direct message via Instagram, and that's that third link down below. If you have any questions about trading and or getting started, remember, I'm always one direct message away via Discord, and that's that first link in the description. This is the Webull trading application. It is free for everyone in the US, and if you want to download it, you can earn up to 6 free stocks just by depositing $1, and that's that fifth link in the description. By you signing up, I get 1 free stock, you get 6, so it's a win-win. I appreciate your time. I'll see you for our Sunday stock talk. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.